In our world, filled with mysteries and wonders, there are natural phenomena that both astonish and perplex. Imagine a sky ablaze with dancing lights, or stones that seem to move as if guided by an unseen hand. These occurrences, both beautiful and baffling, remind us that nature holds secrets yet to be fully understood. Despite remarkable advancements in science and technology, some occurrences remain unexplained, defying all efforts to fully understand them. Today we'll take you on a journey to explore the top 10 strange natural phenomena that have left scientists baffled. Discover the details and insights science has gathered so far about each of these mind-boggling mysteries. In the ethereal expanse of the polar skies, a breathtaking spectacle unfolds, the aurora borealis or northern lights. Imagine curtains of vibrant green, shimmering pink and electric blue cascading across the night sky. These dancing lights, a celestial ballet of color and light, have captivated humankind for centuries. We now know that this phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun, carried by solar winds, collide with atoms in Earth's atmosphere. This interaction excites the atoms, causing them to release energy in the form of light, painting the sky with those mesmerizing hues. While the basic mechanism behind the aurora is understood, there are aspects that continue to puzzle scientists. For instance, the aurora sometimes appears far from the polar regions, much farther south than anticipated. These unexpected appearances suggest there's more to learn about the interaction between the sun's energy and Earth's magnetic field. The northern lights are a powerful reminder of the awe-inspiring forces at play in our universe, forces that we are only beginning to comprehend. Our oceans, vast and powerful, are in constant motion, their rhythms dictated by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Tides, the daily rise and fall of sea levels, are a testament to this celestial influence. But there are times when the ocean's behavior seems to defy our understanding, when waves surge and crest with unusual power. During a full moon, a curious phenomenon occurs in some coastal areas. Waves, much larger and more forceful than usual, crash against the shore. These are not your typical tides, predictable and regular. These are waves that seem to surge with an almost primal energy. Scientists have observed a correlation between these powerful waves and the full moon, but the exact nature of this connection remains a mystery. Some theories suggest that the combined gravitational pull of the sun and moon during a full moon might amplify tidal forces, leading to these larger waves. However, this explanation doesn't fully account for the magnitude and irregularity of these full moon waves. Across our planet, there exist bodies of water that seem to defy the ordinary, their surfaces shimmering with hues more suited to a painter's palette than a natural landscape. These are the pink lakes, striking in their vibrant hues, and equally fascinating in the mystery that surrounds them. One such spectacle is Lake Hillier in Australia, a striking expanse of bubblegum pink water surrounded by a ring of pristine white sand. This vibrant color, a stark contrast to the azure blue of the ocean just beyond a narrow strip of land, has captivated explorers and scientists alike. The prevailing theory behind this pink phenomenon points towards microscopic life, specifically a type of algae known as Dunaliella salina. These hardy organisms thrive in the lake's salty environment, producing a pigment called beta-carotene, the same pigment that gives carrots their orange color. This beta-carotene is believed to be responsible for the lake's distinctive pink hue. However, the mystery doesn't end there. In the tranquil depths of ancient forests, beneath the rustling leaves and the chirping of insects, there exists a sound that is both elusive and unsettling, a low-frequency hum. This is the forest hum, a phenomenon that has baffled scientists and sparked countless theories. As the sounds of the outside world fade away, you become aware of a faint humming, a low vibration. This hum, often described as a deep, resonant tone, is not always present, and its source remains a mystery. Some researchers believe the hum could be caused by the movement of tectonic plates. Others speculate that it might be the result of atmospheric pressure waves. Still others suggest that the hum could be a form of natural infrasound. Despite numerous attempts to record and analyze the forest hum, its origins remain shrouded in mystery. In the heart of winter, when the air hangs heavy with frost and the landscape is cloaked in snow, a breathtaking spectacle can be observed. Towering beams of light reaching towards the heavens. These are light pillars, a mesmerizing optical phenomenon. Shimmering columns of light stretch high into the atmosphere, created by the reflection and refraction of light off ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Death Valley, a land of extremes where scorching temperatures bake the earth and silence reigns supreme, holds a mystery that has captivated the imaginations of scientists and adventurers for decades. Scattered across the flat, dry lake bed of Racetrack Playa, heavy stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds, leave behind trails in the cracked earth as if they have moved across the desert floor under their own power. These are the sailing stones of Death Valley, and their enigmatic journeys have yet to be fully explained. Imagine standing on the parched surface of Racetrack Playa, the sun beating down from above. Before you stretches a seemingly endless expanse of cracked earth, and etched across this barren canvas are long, meandering trails, some straight, others curving gracefully, each one marking the path of a wandering stone. These trails, some stretching for hundreds of feet, are a testament to an unseen force, a silent dance of stone and earth. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the movement of the sailing stones. Some suggest that strong winds, at times reaching hurricane force in Death Valley, could be responsible, pushing the stones across the slick, wet clay that forms after infrequent rain. In the vast expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean lies a region that has captivated the human imagination for centuries, the Bermuda Triangle. This triangular zone stretching between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico is synonymous with unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Numerous vessels and aircraft have vanished within this zone, leaving behind scant traces and a legacy of unanswered questions. Many incidents can be attributed to human error, mechanical failure, or the unpredictable fury of the sea. Yet some disappearances remain unexplained, fueling speculation and keeping the legend alive. In the heart of a volcanic eruption, where molten rock spews from the Earth's fiery depths and ash clouds darken the sky, a spectacle of terrifying beauty unfolds: volcanic lightning. This electrifying phenomenon, a dance of fire and electricity, transforms the already awe-inspiring power of a volcanic eruption. Imagine standing at a safe distance, the ground trembling beneath your feet. As molten lava flows, a massive ash plume rises, blotting out the sun. Then, within this swirling cloud, bolts of lightning crackle, illuminating the sky. Imagine looking out your window to witness a downpour unlike any other, a rain of fish frogs or even spiders falling from the sky. This is animal rain, a bizarre and unsettling phenomenon that has been reported in various forms throughout history and across the globe. While seemingly defying logic, there are scientific explanations that attempt to unravel this meteorological mystery. One prevailing theory suggests that strong updrafts, such as those found in tornadoes or waterspouts, could be responsible for lifting animals, particularly smaller creatures like fish and frogs, from their aquatic habitats and carrying them considerable distances. These updrafts act like giant vacuum cleaners, sucking up water and anything unfortunate enough to be caught in their path. As the updrafts lose their intensity, the airborne menagerie is then deposited elsewhere, often miles away from their original location. This explains why animal rain often consists of a single species, as the updraft would have likely targeted a specific body of water. In the heart of a raging inferno where flames leap skyward and the air crackles with intense heat, a phenomenon as mesmerizing as it is terrifying can arise. The fire whirl, a swirling vortex of fire resembling a tornado of flames, capable of reaching staggering heights and leaving a path of destruction in its wake. Imagine standing before a wildfire, its flames consuming everything in their path. The air is thick with smoke and the roar of the fire is deafening. Suddenly, within the inferno, a swirling column of fire rises, twisting and turning like a fiery dancer, its flames reaching towards the sky. Fire whirls, also known as fire devils or fire tornadoes, are formed when intense heat and turbulent wind conditions combine. As hot air rises rapidly from the fire, it creates an updraft, drawing in cooler air from the surrounding area. This swirling vortex of air can then become engulfed in flames, creating a spinning column of fire that can reach heights of over 100 feet and sustain wind speeds of over 100 miles per hour. The intense heat generated by a fire whirl can melt metal and incinerate everything in its path. Nature is filled with secrets, And each of these phenomena unveils a mysterious side of our world, challenging our understanding. From the shimmering curtains of the aurora borealis to the eerie hum in the heart of a forest, these mysteries remind us that we are still discovering the full extent of our planet's wonders. These events remind us of science's limitations and prompt us to wonder, will we ever fully comprehend everything? Or will the universe forever hold on to some of its mysteries? We hope this journey sparked your curiosity. Be sure to subscribe to explore more fascinating topics with us.